Success doesn't happen in a single moment. It's not one giant leap or one perfect move. Success is built step by step, brick by brick, through small wins that most people overlook. The truth is, those small wins, they're the ones that lead to the biggest steps in your life. Every small win is momentum. It's progress. It's proof that you're moving forward, even when it feels like nothing is changing. And over time, those small wins stack up. They create the foundation for something greater. Because the key to achieving big goals is starting small. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you're chasing something big. The goal seems too far away, the journey too long. But when you focus on small wins, you make the impossible possible. You take that massive mountain and break it into steps you can actually climb. Progress isn't about being perfect every day. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up, doing the work, and celebrating the little victories. Because those little victories aren't little at all. They're the building blocks of transformation. But here's the thing. Small wins don't just move you forward. They change you. They build confidence. They give you proof that you're capable of more. And with every small step you take, you're becoming the kind of person who achieves great things. The secret to greatness is in the details. It's in the small, consistent actions no one sees. It's in the decision to try again after a setback, to give your best when no one's watching, and to keep moving when progress feels slow. Small wins aren't just for you. They inspire those around you. Every time you show what's possible, you light the way for others to do the same. Success isn't just about reaching the finish line. It's about the impact you create along the way. Big steps come from small wins, and big dreams are built from daily habits. Don't underestimate the power of the little things, because the little things, done consistently, create the life you've been dreaming of. So start small, win today, then win tomorrow. Let those wins build, one after another, until they take you places you never thought you could go. Remember, every small win is a big step toward becoming the person you're meant to be.